is phenomenal. 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 I'm upset.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Y'all are not going to believe how much this unit is. It's just... Hey, y'all. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to throw these wigs on and keep it moving. If you've been here, hey, boo, hey. I'm coming through with a unit from Sensationnel. This is Butta Lace Unit 34. All right, my loves. This is Butta Lace Unit 34. I'm coming on through with this unit from Sensationnel. I have her in the color Balayage Mocha. Balayage Mocha. Get into the beats, okay? This unit has ear-to-ear lace. And on the inside, she has about a 5 or 6 inch part. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. What kind of forever? Okay, this unit is really, really stunning. Again, this is a part of that. It's a Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, okay? She does have ear-to-ear lace and wider parting. I want to point that out as well. This unit on most wig sites is going for, wait for it. Go ahead and wait. $40 million. I didn't say it, she said it. Did you hear me in the back, Pooh? $40. She's going for $40, and she looks phenomenal. So I'm just going to go on through and cut the lace off, and I'm going to throw her on my head. All right, my loves, let's dig on into this Sensationnel unit. So I really don't have much to say about this unit. I love synthetic wigs, and it's primarily because I always have a style in mind when I'm doing my flick of the wrist that I just want to get together. And when you choose a synthetic wig, they just make it so much easier. The style is already done, and we could throw mother on and go. Look at her. She's just about done. Like, I want to go through and really just define this unit, which is why I'm going to use my Andy straightening comb to straighten this unit right on out, okay? I want to make sure she's super flat. So I'm going to go on through and get this unit together. Now, I'm also going to use further down to darken up my part, my e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation. Use it on your face, use it on your wigs, use it on your décolleté, okay? Use it on your body. It is everything, and it's really, really inexpensive. You can grab it at Target. So, and on my Amazon store, I'm going to leave the link below so you guys can shop that as well. So I'm just going on through and really just wanting to get this unit together. She really is stunning hair. It feels like a very yucky texture. She did have a bit of a shine to it, but nothing some baby hair ain't going to change. Okay, so you can get that together. Check out this unit. She is in Balayage Mocha. She's very, very big head friendly, but I feel safe and secure in her. Might even tussle somebody tonight. I don't know. Catch the Holy Ghost, jump around, act the fool with my man. You're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm going to shut my Mimi mouth, continue to get this unit together, and I'll see you on the other side. This is the unit all done. I did add some Kenmar hairspray because I just really wanted the curls to pop out. I wanted to give that definition, that real wavy definition. The color of this unit, again, is Balayage Mocha. She's absolutely positively phenomenal. She stank, she's nasty, she's sexy, she's ready to go. I really am outdone with this unit. I think she's beautiful. I think she's absolute perfection. Let me turn around. I'm filming. I'm going to call you right back.
Oh, I just wanted you to see something.
Hey, mama! Hey, y'all! Where y'all at?
We at Walk On. This place that Ryan's buddy owns.
Oh, that's cool.
Right down the street from the venue.
Oh, it's good to see your face.
Good to see yours. I miss you.
Yes, I miss you too. I really do.
do too. All right, babe. I like that though.
Okay. I'm just gonna finish filming.
Okay.
All right, lovey.
Love you.
Sorry, y'all. That was my husband. Let me turn around. Okay, can you guys see? This is the back of the unit. The color of the hair is phenomenal. 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 I'm obsessed. So again, this unit is number 34, okay, under the Balayage unit collection. This unit is going for less than $30 on most wig sites, less than $40 on most wig sites, okay? Check them out. The color of this unit, again, is Balayage Mocha. I think she might be about 24 inches all in. I would stand up, but I got on a body shaper. We all girls. So you can see the back, okay? My wagon. Also, I'm going to put, this is on my Amazon store. This is the best body shaper out. Period. She's everything. I have so many of them. I wear them all the time. I'm going to do a whole little thing with my undergarments because when I tell you, my waist, no BS, is a 32. And she's giving right now very much 27. She's giving 27. I'm thick in real life. Okay? So I'm feeling this. All right? So I hope the camera is making me look small. But yeah, I'm into this. Let me know what you guys think. I think she is absolutely positively stunning. The wave is sexy. She's absolutely worth it. Buy her in bulk. Buy 2 or 3 of these because this is a vibe. This is absolutely positively a vibe. I ain't got nothing else to say. We went through with our Kimra's mousse. Okay, she's a curling mousse. She holds the curl, all right? And then I took my Andes and got her flatter than a Mary Tappan. Flat, 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 flat. Okay, on the top. And then I took my e.l.f. Halo Liquid Glow just to hit up the part. All of which will be available on my Amazon store. So make sure you check me out. Bust down, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.